Imagine a life where peace is not rare but natural, and happiness does not depend on money, people, or approval but comes from inside you, something no one can take away. Most people search for happiness in relationships, status, or validation, but true happiness is always lived within you, hidden under fear, doubt, and comparison. Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus understood that when you live in harmony with yourself, no failure, judgment, or hardship can destroy your peace. To be happy with yourself, first have the courage to see yourself honestly, accepting both your strengths and your flaws without hate or denial, because acceptance is strength, not weakness. You are both the sculptor and the stone, shaping yourself through self-reflection and understanding instead of criticism. The second key is gratitude, learning to see richness in simple things like breathing, sunlight, and quiet moments, because wanting more is what creates poverty of the mind. When you appreciate what you already have and who you already are, your focus shifts from what is missing to what truly matters. And over time, this mindset builds a deep, steady happiness that comes within. Step 3 is to live in line with your true nature, because real fulfillment does not come from pleasure, but from living with purpose and values. When your actions match who you truly are inside, you no longer need approval from others because you become your own standard. Like a tree that simply grows toward the light without comparing itself to anything else, you should grow toward what feels honest and meaningful to you. Each morning, ask yourself what kind of person you want to be, and let your actions reflect that choice, because happiness follows purpose naturally. Step 4 is to find peace in the present moment, since most suffering comes from worrying about the future or regretting the past. The present moment is where life actually happens, and peace already exists there if you allow it. When stress appears, slow down, breathe, and focus only on what you can control right now, letting go of the rest. Being happy with yourself is not a temporary feeling, but a way of living built on acceptance, gratitude, and virtue. No one can take your peace unless you give it away, because your thoughts, character, and inner calm belong only to you. When you think clearly, act with discipline, and treat yourself with kindness, you slowly build a deep and steady happiness that comes from being truly at peace with who you are.